Then look at his cool guns.
It's Sean here and
Nerf.
but guys, we're just gonna get the thumbnail right here.
Thumbnail.
I think it would be. We got thumbnail. Let's go.
Okay, sorry about that. This thumbnail has to be good. It has to. Yay. Okay, so we're gonna be shooting you guys on Christmas. This
Christmas special.
This
Cause
is my Christmas present to you.
and me to you, cause it's gonna be on my channel too. Oh my goodness. So guys, sorry.
Collabs.
Is it collab? Yeah, collab. Sorry guys, but this is our Christmas special. We didn't do that much special, but if we didn't do any Christmas special, you guys would be so mad.
I know. Why you guys so mean to us?
Okay, ready?
Okay, I got load up. Okay, come. I need to go back out. So like a style.
Lego.
3,
2, we got more guns, by the way. Go.
Now already.
Break the door.
Break the door.
Yeah, I hit it.
Yeah,
I got him.
First try. We got it down. Guys, that's a good thing. We're trying to make it go down.
The Megador hit it down. Because I am the one.
You're the one.
Now we're doing Megador again. I have 2 more. Okay, guys, see if we can get it. I missed. The Big Daddy. I'm gonna get close to get
Oh
this.
no! He didn't go to the stick.
Big Daddy.
Oh my god! Guys, first try. Okay, the
The
iPad.
Big Daddy just got hurt.
Pretend it dies every time, so 2 times dies.
So this is what happens. Ready? So I got the
Oh, I ran out.
Big Daddy. I missed. Great.
Got that. It's stronger.
That's my gun. Yeah. We have a bow.
That's it.
Yeah.
Nice. Are you half of that?
Guys, you have to die. Sorry.
Oh, no.
And now,
There, you can use it.
let go. Oh, sticky note on the iPad.
Really?
Yeah.
Where?
I mean, just hold my
it's
iPad
still on.
just in case, because it's gonna be mad.
Guys, imagine if this happened.
Sorry, guys,
Say,
but I mean, just hold the iPad for a little bit.
this should have been what happened.
We're gonna hold it.
Yep.
Oh, that looks sick, guys.
Yep. Imagine if this sticky note came in and went yoink. Just straight on.
But
it.
guys, I'm
Oh.
gonna hold it.
I was holding it and it did
Oh
that.
my god.
I've been dying about 5 times. I don't know. Comment down below.
You got 2. I'm gonna shoot 1 more at you guys. No, hold on.
I pick up some
Ready
darts.
to hold it?
Let's take a reload.
Ding, ding. I missed.
Ah! It came back in my face.
Ready? More stronger.
Ah!
Got me. I mean, you used basically all of them.
Huh?
You used basically all the strong ones. I started, I just almost broke
He
them.
just broke it.
Almost. You better go hold the iPad. Guys, the pros coming to the
That's where?
Go. I'm gonna reload. Sorry, guys, but we're battery. Dude.
Guys, sorry I don't have much darts. Just this is all for you. Just be proud of us. Hopefully, Merry Christmas. Oh,
Oh.
guys, the iPad fell off. iPad.
Oh my god, guys. The
Okay.
iPad just fell off the whole.
Oh, hold on.
Now
It fell off
stop.
that and then.
Oh my god. Okay, right. We're doing this for you.
We're actually not gonna go there anymore. We're going.
Over here.
We're going over here.
So yeah, pick up all the bullets over here.
Knife. Where's my safe phone? No, where'd my gun go? It disappeared.
I mean, get those bullets. We're gonna get so many bullets. Reload and just kill everything. I mean, I'll cover you up. I'm covering you. Like, I'm gonna shoot them. Wow.
Here's your pistols.
Thank you. Cover me while I'm reloading. Go. I'm gonna cover you.
I'm gonna shoot an animal.
You missed. I'll cover you.
Grandpa, shoot your missile.
I'm gonna shoot my mech there.
I got 2 more minutes.
Guys, Big Daddy.
No, it's not.
Dang it. Put 2 more mech darts. I'll cover you. Get more bullets.
I'm gonna get some sticky
trying to make it fall, guys. Like, we're trying.
But it's not gonna happen here. Just I captured it.
Oh.
So are you surprised?
Yes.
Guys, it may broke it. No, it's kidding. It never broke it. But just
We're getting
that was
guys.
for you.
Just stay tuned because we're getting more bullets, okay?
No, they're just gonna skip this part.
So just skip until we get bullets.
Which is like, I don't know. We don't know. Excuse. I'm trying to aim at you. Oh! Sticky
Oh,
dart!
the sticky dart.
So, okay, I'm just gonna pretend that it actually hit it.
Okay, give me the sticky dart. I'm gonna try to hit it. Let me try to hit it.
Okay, so I'm just gonna flip it because logic. Hey guys, we're upside down!
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna flip it back up. Sorry guys.
Let's go. Move.
Ah! Okay, sticky dart on. Just sticky dart on. Okay, that's watching.
Dang it. Okay, Avi, still just skip. Guys, we're gonna be doing a lot now. Now we're gonna reload everything again.
Okay, I'm gonna reload your turn second. I'm gonna shoot your turn.
Here.
Okay, can I shoot your turn second now?
I see new name.
Why?
Fine.
Yay. I don't know what I'm gonna make it up with. That's all. Guys,
Right.
we're gonna short second. I'm gonna use it now. Yay!
You can use it for one round.
Yay. Okay, guys. I'm just gonna check how many minutes this video was in. Oh, this is a sticky dart. Well, I'm just gonna take the sticky dart. Ah. I'm just gonna put this right here. Never mind. But it actually did stick, believe us. You guys don't, because you guys are so mean to us. Like, literally, so mean. Man. Okay. Guys, this is the one part. It's been 7 minutes, so it's gonna end soon.
It's gonna end.
By
Hurry
itself, because of storage issues. So, hurry up.
Get ready for this. Ready?
Okay, let's go.
Oh! The bow and arrow got hit.
Bow and arrow, got it, guys. Bow and arrow hit us right in the face.
Okay, continue another bow and arrow.
I missed. You guys made us.
You missed.
Oh, the last one did.
Ready? Two big daddies.